Legends of Learning presents the Escape the Factory game. This is a math game that makes learning about grouping expressions with symbols fun and easy to understand. In this informative, instructional game, you will become a resourceful robot desperately trying to break free from a malfunctioning factory. Unlock laser-controlled exits on each level by discovering the power of parentheses. But beware, the factory security droids have also gone haywire. Can you solve your way out of this mathematical maze and evade the relentless droids to secure your freedom? Use the arrow keys to move around the factory. Solve math equation questions to complete each level to escape the factory. Use the drop-down arrow key to pick up and drop off numbers to correctly complete the math equations. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of math to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.